Hello, today I'm going to talk about my Proxmox server. I'm currently using this Dell ultra small form factor PC with an external hard drive for network attached storage and this USB drive which I'm using to back up containers on Proxmox. This Dell Optiplex 9020m was manufactured in 2016. It has a 4-core i5-4590T processor. It has 16 gigabytes of DDR3 at 1600 megahertz, and it has a 128 gigabyte SSD drive. On the front we have the power button, audio jacks, 2 USB 3 ports. On the rear of the unit we have power in, DisplayPort, VGA, 4 USB 3.0 ports, gigabit Ethernet, and air exhaust. The cover can be removed by undoing this thumb screw here, sliding the top cover forward, and then lifting up. Inside the unit we can see the solid-state drive and the processor cooling fan. The cooling fan assembly can be removed with these clips. Underneath the cooling fan we can see the DDR3 SODIMM memory with 2 slots mounted on top of each other. The hard drive is removed by pulling these 2 tabs together and sliding the drive back, and then up to reveal the hard drive caddy. This motherboard also features a M.2 SATA expansion port. It is a B-keyed port and fits 2280 sized expansion cards. In here we have a 128 gigabyte SATA SSD. I purchased this machine for 230 Australian dollars in 2021. It came with 8 gigabytes of memory, and for an additional 50 Australian dollars, I upgraded the memory to 16 gigabytes. This year, I added the M.2 SSD, and that cost 15 Australian dollars. For about 5 years, this computer was connected to our television, where it handled streaming services and watching YouTube. Unfortunately, when we upgraded to a 4K television, this computer is no longer powerful enough to reliably play 4K content. I don't like smart TV's inbuilt software, so I had to come up with a new solution for our new TV, which I'll talk about at another time. Which meant for a while this system was just sitting idle. I recently became interested in virtualization and Linux containers, and I've been using this computer with the Proxmox virtual environment to explore those concepts. I'm going to be putting a new computer together with more recent hardware in my next video. Thanks for listening. See you next time.